In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT as a collaborative partner to draft and refine a compelling college application essay. First, I start by setting the stage and defining a clear persona for the AI. I type in a prompt asking ChatGPT to act as a professional college application essay writing assistant that prioritizes authenticity, personal growth, and specific details over a simple list of achievements. ChatGPT responds by outlining a strategic approach, emphasizing that a great essay should feel like a real story rather than a resume. It then asks me for specific details, such as the essay prompt and the applicant's unique experiences, so we can begin the actual writing process. Next, I provide the background for the essay, describing a student from a small town who started a tutoring program for underprivileged kids. I specify the word count and ask for a tone that is both personal and reflective to ensure the draft feels genuine. The AI generates a complete draft that opens with a vivid scene of the applicant struggling to teach fractions in a local community hall. The resulting essay highlights a transition from frustration to empathy, showing how the student learned to listen to their pupils and eventually discovered a passion for public policy and social equity. To make the writing even stronger, I ask for a revision of the opening and closing lines. I want a hook that immediately grabs the reader's attention and a final sentence that leaves a powerful, lasting impression. The updated opening focuses on the moment the applicant realized they didn't know how to reach their students, while the new closing emphasizes that meaningful change begins with the courage to keep trying. These refinements help the essay sound more confident and polished while keeping the original heart of the story intact. Finally, I ask ChatGPT to pivot the story to fit a different prompt focused on personal identity and leadership. This allows me to see how the same core experience can be framed to highlight different strengths depending on what a specific college is looking for. The final result is a powerful narrative that describes the tutoring program as a defining passion that shaped the applicant's sense of self. It explains how leadership is less about directing people and more about creating an environment where others feel capable of succeeding, perfectly capturing a vision for future impact. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.